So what did this group really accomplish? Why was it notable? And we talked about this earlier today, John did, and Mike as well, about the need to pull together all this information and present it in a manner that's understandable. So what happened in the late 1990s and early 2000s was confirming linkages between stormwater, land use, impacts on watershed health and streams, and the trends that we were starting to see. I mean, we were at the tail end of a major downhill slide, or things flattened out and we can look for some improvements soon. So we came up with a bunch of these studies. This is actually just a sampling of some of the work that was done. But we came up with Best Management Practices Guide for stormwater to reduce impacts. We looked at environmental effects of stormwater discharges on small streams, because we have a number of small salmon streams still in Metro Vancouver, quite a number of them. And we wanted to see, is there really an impact or not? And yeah, sure enough, there is. Not so much on the Fraser River, but certainly on the smaller streams. We looked at benthic macroinvertebrate as a potential indicator, because it's very difficult to measure trends in time on stream health, because there's quite a lot of variability year to year. But one thing that doesn't change much is the bugs that live in the stream. Those seem to be a little more resilient, and so counting bugs seemed to be the way to go. I'm an engineer, so it all sounded kind of weird to me, but it seems to be working, and we're not the only ones doing it that way. Then we looked at an assessment of how it's working, and it worked very well. And we also characterized stormwater runoff, not just the impacts, but what's in that stormwater. Is there something we can do about this? So that was some of the foundation work that was done. Then we looked at, okay, we have all this information. Now